Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to the Chill English channel. It's so nice to see you again. I'm Sophia, and I'm really happy you're here today.
Hi, everyone. I'm Jake. We hope you're having a wonderful day. We're excited to help you practice speaking English with us.
Yes! Today, we're starting a new episode about how to talk on the phone in English. We know phone calls can sometimes feel a little scary or confusing, but don't worry, we will take it slow and practice together.
That's right. Over the next 7 parts, we will learn useful phrases, polite expressions, and practice real phone conversations step by step. Are you ready?
Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. It helps us create more great lessons for you.
Okay, the first and most important thing on the phone is how to say hello. It's simple, but very important.
Let's say it together. Repeat after me. Hello.
Great! Sometimes people say hi or hey instead of hello. Let's practice those too. Repeat after me. Hi. Hey.
When you answer the phone, you can also say your name to let the caller know who they are speaking with. For example, hello, this is Sophia.
Or you can say, hi, it's Jake. Let's say those sentences together. Repeat after me. Hello, this is Sophia. Hi, it's Jake.
Now, Jake, let's try a short dialogue. You call me and I answer the phone.
Okay, Sophia, I'm ready. Hello, this is Jake. May I speak to Sophia, please?
Hi, Jake. This is Sophia. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm great. Thanks for asking.
All right, friends. Now it's your turn. Try practicing this dialogue with a friend or say both parts yourself.
Don't worry if it feels hard at first. Practice makes perfect.
Remember to speak slowly and clearly.
Next, we will learn how to politely ask who's calling and how to say your name clearly on the phone.
All right, friends, let's keep going. So now, imagine your phone rings and you answer it, but you don't recognize the voice. What can you say?
Good question. If you don't know who is calling, you can politely ask, "Who's calling, please?"
Let's say that together. Repeat after me. Who's calling, please?
You can also say, "May I ask who's speaking?" That's a very polite way to ask someone's name on the phone.
Great. Let's practice that too. May I ask who's speaking?
Now, if you are the one calling someone, it's polite to say your name right away. You can say, "Hi, this is Sophia," or "Hello, it's Jake."
Let's say those. Hi, this is Sophia. Hello, it's Jake.
Sometimes people say their full name, especially in formal calls. For example, "Hello, this is Sophia Green." Let's try it. "Hello, this is Sophia Green."
Good job. Now let's try a short conversation.
Jake, you be the person answering, I'll be the caller.
Okay, go ahead.
"Hello, this is Sophia. May I speak to Mr. Lee, please?"
Hi, Sophia. May I ask who's calling?
"Yes, it's Sophia Green."
Thank you. Please hold. I'll check if he's available.
Now it's your turn, friends. try saying both sides, first as the caller, then as the person answering.
And remember, speaking on the phone is different because you can't see the person's face. So speak slowly and clearly.
Exactly. Make your voice sound kind and confident. That helps the other person understand you better.
In the next part, we'll learn how to ask to speak to someone and what to say if the person isn't there.
Let's keep going. Let's keep going, friends. In the last part, we practiced asking who's calling and saying your name clearly. Now, let's learn how to ask to speak to someone.
Yes, if you call a company or a friend's home and someone else answers, you might want to speak to another person.
You can say, "May I speak to Lisa, please?" Or, "Could I speak with Mr. Brown?"
Let's practice those together. Repeat after me. May I speak to Lisa, please? Could I speak with Mr. Brown?
These are polite and common phrases. You can also say, "Is Lisa there?" if it's a casual call.
That's right. Now, let's try a mini dialogue. Sophia, you answer the phone this time.
All right.
Hello, this is Jake. May I speak to Lisa, please?
Hi, Jake. I'm sorry, Lisa isn't available right now.
Oh, I see. Do you know when she'll be back?
Maybe in an hour. Would you like to leave a message?
Yes, please. Can you tell her that Jake called?
Sure, I'll let her know.
Great job, friends. Let's practice some of those key sentences. I'm sorry. She isn't available right now. Would you like to leave a message? Can you tell her that Jake called?
Don't worry if you don't remember everything right away. Repeating the same phrases helps your brain remember them naturally.
Yes, and remember, it's okay to ask questions or pause on the phone. Just stay calm and polite. Now that you've learned how to ask for someone and what to say when they're not there, let's keep going. In the next part, we'll practice how to leave a message and ask someone to call you back.
Let's keep going, friends. Now you know how to ask for someone and what to say when they're not available. So, what do you do next?
You can leave a message. This is a very common thing to do on the phone, especially for work or formal calls.
Let's learn some simple and polite ways to do that. You can say, "Can I leave a message, please?" Or, "Could you please tell her that I called?"
Repeat after me. Can I leave a message, please? Could you please tell her that I called?
Great! If you want the person to call you back, you can also say, "Could you ask her to call me back?" Or, "Please tell him to call me when he's free."
Let's practice those too. Could you ask her to call me back? Please tell him to call me when he's free.
Now let's try a short dialogue using these phrases.
Hi, this is Jake. May I speak to Lisa?
Hi, Jake. I'm sorry, Lisa's not here right now.
No problem. Can I leave a message?
Sure. What would you like me to tell her?
Please tell her that I called and ask her to call me back when she has time.
Got it. I'll give her the message.
Great work, everyone. These kinds of short messages are very common. Keep practicing until they feel natural.
In the next part, we'll learn how to ask someone to hold and how to transfer a call. Let's keep going.
Welcome back. So far, we've practiced saying hello, asking who's calling, and leaving a message. Now, let's talk about two useful things: asking someone to hold and transferring a call.
Right. First, when you need a moment, maybe to find someone or check something, you can ask the caller to hold.
You can say, "Can you hold for a moment, please?" Or, "Would you mind holding for a second?"
Let's try that together. Can you hold for a moment, please? Would you mind holding for a second?
If the person agrees, you can say, "Thank you. Please hold." That's polite and clear.
Now, if you're working in an office or answering a shared phone, you may need to transfer the call to someone else.
You can say, "Let me transfer your call," or "I'll put you through to Mr. Lee." Both are common and professional.
Try repeating, "Let me transfer your call. I'll put you through to Mr. Lee."
Here's a short example. Sophia, you be the receptionist.
Hello, Green Office. How can I help you?
"Hi, I'd like to speak to Mr. Lee, please."
Sure. Please hold while I transfer your call.
Nice. It's short, polite, and very useful in both casual and formal calls.
Sometimes people say, "One moment, please," or just "Hold on a second." These are more casual, but still polite.
In the next part, we'll learn how to make appointments on the phone, like booking a time or confirming a schedule. You're doing great so far. Let's keep going.
Welcome back! In this part, let's learn how to make and confirm appointments on the phone. This is something many people do every day for doctors, haircuts, job interviews, and more.
To begin, you can say, "I'd like to make an appointment." Or, "Can I book a time, please?"
Repeat with us. I'd like to make an appointment.
"Can I book a time, please?"
Let's imagine you're calling a doctor's office.
You say, "Hi, I'd like to make an appointment with Dr. Brown."
The receptionist may ask, "What day and time are you looking for?"
If they offer you a time, like, "We have 3 p.m. today," you can say, "That works for me." Or, "That time is fine."
Then you might want to confirm. For example, just to confirm it's today at 3 p.m. Let's try a quick example. Jake, you're the receptionist.
"Hello, Care Dental. How can I help?"
Hi, I'd like to make an appointment for a checkup.
"We have 11 a.m. tomorrow. Does that work?"
Yes, that's perfect. Just to confirm, it's 11 a.m. tomorrow?
"Yes, we'll see you then."
If you need to cancel or change it, you can say, "I need to reschedule," or "I'd like to cancel my appointment."
Nice work. In the next part, we'll learn how to end a phone call politely. Let's keep going.
You've made it to the final part. Now, let's talk about how to end a phone call. Many English learners forget to practice this, but it's just as important as saying hello.
Exactly. You want to end the call in a way that sounds polite and natural, not too fast and not too long.
A good way to begin is with a simple thank you. You can say, "Thanks for your help," or "Thanks for calling."
Then add something friendly. "Talk to you soon." "Have a great day." Or, "Take care."
Let's try it. "Thanks for calling. Have a great day."
"Talk to you soon." "Bye."
Nice. You can also say, "It was nice talking to you," or "I'll let you go now."
These sound friendly and relaxed. If you're ending a work call, you can also say, "Thanks again. I'll follow up soon." Here's one more short example.
Okay, that's all I needed. Thanks.
"You're welcome. Take care."
Bye.
"Bye."
And that brings us to the end of this episode.
We hope you enjoyed learning how to speak naturally and confidently on the phone.
Thanks for listening to this episode. And remember, the best way to get better is to keep practicing.
Until next time, keep learning and keep speaking.